Easy, fella.
Okay, so that's gone into the stomach.
Very nicely done, very smooth.
Right, pumping.
Oh,
And look at that. Stomach full of plastic.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, the size of that piece. Sharp too.
Oh my God.
So the parents had to vomit that up to feed the chick, and then the chicks had that in the stomach and now just coughed it up.
So they're gradually, with all the best intentions, feeding their chicks to death, potentially. Filling their stomachs with big pieces of plastic.
Rubbish.
That are...
Felt plastic on the way down there.
This time?
Just now I could feel it. As the tube was going in, I could feel
I can't
plastic
believe how much is
scraping.
coming out.
Oh, look at that. Man,
Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous.
I think that was